Hello, I'm in a 2014 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side, we'll go down, and you should see a lever like this that you can pull. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing under the hood. And you should have a little cable here attached to this lever with a little bit of tension. If there's no cable attached, that's something you'll need to address. Now from the front, most vehicle models, there's a lever somewhere towards the middle that you'll pull. This one's right here, so I'm gonna push and lift. Push and lift. That's where it was hooked onto. And then you can use this arm to hold it up. There we go. So if you're using the arm to hold it, that's up. Again, that's where it's hooked onto with two braces. Here's what that lever looked like. So make sure there's no debris in here, nothing bent out of place or loose. If it's not moving very freely, you might need some WD-40 to loosen it a little bit. Also make sure your hood is in proper alignment, because if this is closing crooked or something's bent, that'll cause issues as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.